Hey, I'm back. We're gonna go on a sunrise bike ride. You can already see it coming up. Sunrise. Hey crew, good morning. Right now I am in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I love this life. It is so fun and so beautiful. Ah! Wow, this is Minnesota. This is amazing. I am so glad that I went on this trip. Oh my gosh, it's just breathtaking. Little update, I think it is day 38 of this trek. We are in Minnesota and we are on a gorgeous rail trail all day from sunup to sundown rail trail. I've also been listening to some adventure podcasts, which is really cool. Also, the group is pretty split today. We just kind of like are all going our own paces. We did eat lunch together, but we're just kind of like all chilling at our own paces. Wow, look at this. That was pretty rad. All right. I'm rocking the half shirt, no sleeves, no helmet, just kind of little freebie today, which is really nice for mind, body, and soul. Today we're staying in Warm Showers. If you've never heard of the app Warm Showers, it's fantastic. You download the app and you pay a little bit of money, and then you can see different people on the map who put their houses up. Just kind of like an invitation of like, hey, you can stay with me tonight if you have to, for like, it's mainly for cyclists, maybe hikers, but we're staying in Warm Showers tonight, so sometimes they provide you a bed, sometimes a shower, sometimes just a yard. Tonight we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna take a shower, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be in Avon, Minnesota. Oh, that's a big bump. Oh, my water bottle fell. Red alert, red alert, red alert. I'm gonna stop in the shade, but my water bottle fell. I got a lot of stuff on the back of my bike because my helmet's in the back. I went swimming. Oh my gosh, guys, I went swimming at lunch today and I played fetch with a golden retriever, and it was the cutest, sweetest thing ever. It was the best lunch stop because I got to go swimming, and I love swimming. Absolutely love swimming. And I got to play fetch with a golden retriever, and it was just so cute. Oh, I love dogs. Okay. Give me 1 second to figure out how to... Yeah, I have my sports bra from swimming, my bike shorts that I also wore swimming, but they're dry. My helmet that I am supposed to be wearing, and some extra water. I also have some water down there, so I'm gonna switch these out. I think I'm melting in Minnesota, and I'm also looking for the GoPro glass thing that goes over the camera, because I pulled my GoPro out to take a picture and the glass went flying, and so now I'm on the rail trail looking for it. But it's like really hot, so I decided to just video it, and my bike is over there, and I'm pretty sure it's from me to my bike, but it's a little piece of glass. Guys, look what I just found. The piece of glass. I think it goes right there. Yep. So, also, funny story about this GoPro. So, I had a GoPro Hero 8 Black, and it was awesome. I went swimming with it in Glacier National Park, and I don't know if the water was too cold or if water got in the GoPro, but something happened because the GoPro stopped working the day after I went swimming. But Claire showed up with this GoPro that I'm filming on right now, and she's like, it's a GoPro 7 and I found it on the road and I have no idea if it works, and it was like really dirty and kind of scraped up, but I mean it's working just fine right now, and I've been using it for like a month because my GoPro had to be sent back to the company, so I am absolutely grateful that she found this random GoPro on the road just for me. It is called Smiley Drive. We are staying at a house from the app called Warm Showers. This is our dinner. We have that big slab of meat that I showed you, peppers, mango, and cucumbers. We are grilling it up. I'm the grill master tonight, so you know. It's gonna be good. We got lucky because we have a grill. Otherwise, we would have just put it in our camping pot stove and called it good. But we have a grill. Right, the final masterpiece. We have brown rice with taco seasoning on it. Life hack. That's how you flavor your rice on a bike trip. Does not take up much room. Peppers and then some turkey. Thank you, grill. You were a treat. It's 4:55 a.m. The sun is already coming up. It rises at 5:32. You can see it right there on the right side. We have to take down the tents. We have to get people up. I'm really excited. This is gonna be a really nice bike ride. Sunrise. Went for a nice sunrise ride. It is about 6 a.m. Sunrise was at 5:30. Lunch at a high school.
Which one?
The red with the blue and white stripe.
Okay, vlog, there are two types of people on this trip. One type is somebody who likes to put as many layers on as they can in the sun. And the other type is who likes to take layers off in the sun because it's hot. But he's probably smarter because he won't get sunburned, he won't get sun exposure. Oh, also there's another type. Somebody who always snoozes at lunch. Time to get up.
Get up when we're actually ready to stop.
Ooh. Guys, there's a wedding. We're going through a wedding. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Congratulations. You all look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, good. We're in the suburbs of Minneapolis. It is very pretty. We found this awesome rail trail for a second. Sun is shining. I learned today that there are like 11,000 lakes in Minnesota. Did not know that. But here is one of them. We are in Hopkins, Minnesota. Hey crew, good morning. Right now I'm in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and we are on a rest day.